The camping kitchen isn't a must-have item, but it definitely makes cooking at camp much easier. Having a dedicated camp kitchen means you won't have to crouch over to cook or worry about someone falling onto the stove. It also means you stay organized and have all your kitchen essentials in one spot. There are many products available to choose from. Best portable camping kitchen, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best portable camping kitchens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Master Kitchen. The GCI Outdoor Master Camp Kitchen was obviously designed by people who go camping a lot. The main thing to like about the GCI Outdoor Master is that it is portable, considering how much counter space it has. Folded, it is only 35 x 22 inches and nearly flat at 6 inches thick. It's easy to fit this into any car trunk. To use the camp kitchen, just unfold and attach the lantern hook. It takes all of 2 minutes to set up. The countertop is 56 inches long with the sink closed. With the sink open, the countertop is 42 inches, which is still big enough for your stove and to prep food. There is also a side table at the top, which brings the total space to 70 inches through the side table. Isn't quite sturdy enough for chopping food on. The frame is made out of steel, and the countertop is heat-resistant aluminum, so the whole kitchen is quite sturdy. There are a few hooks on the side tables for paper towels and other supplies. Number 2. Sylvans Port Over Easy Camp Kitchen. The Sylvans Port Over Easy is one of the coolest and most functional camping kitchens available. It has almost every feature you could possibly need to do serious cooking while at camp. Setting up the camp kitchen is actually pretty easy. Just open the case, unfold the kitchen, snap the legs in place, and unfold the second counter and sink. The legs are adjustable for uneven ground. Once open, you have 2 bamboo-topped countertops. One for your stove, 32 x 18 inches, and another for food prep, 38 x 18 inches. This gives you a total of 70 inches of countertop space. There's a zip cabinet underneath with 2 shelves. These shelves are actually sturdy enough to hold food without sagging. There are also awesome extras like a collapsible sink station, built-in windscreen, trash bag holder, paper towel holder, and tons of utensil storage. Number 3. Camshaft Sherpa Camp Kitchen Table and Organizer. If you are more concerned with organizing your camp kitchen than having countertop space, this is the best camp kitchen for you. It is designed to be like a chuck box in that it holds everything you might need for cooking. To set up the camp kitchen, all you need to do is extend the telescoping legs and click the roll-top tabletop onto the box. You then get a camp table which is 27 x 17 inches and 28 inches tall. Unzip the front area and you'll see there are 4 zippered compartments for holding your items. One of the bags is insulated and works as a cooler bag. It could also work as a sink. The bags are actually pretty big and will hold around 14 cans of beer each. However, if you already have another folding camp table, this station provides a surface for your stove plus tons of storage. Number 4. Campland Folding Camp Kitchen Station. Campland is a Chinese brand that makes knockoff products. The camp kitchen comes with multiple parts, so it takes a bit longer to set up than the other camping kitchens reviewed here, but it's still very simple and easy. Once set up, you get a nice amount of countertop space. The main table is about 26 x 13 inches. A fold-out second countertop is about 24 x 13 inches. I love that the legs are adjustable so you can actually use this kitchen on uneven ground. There's a water-resistant cabinet that hangs underneath the side table. It gives you 2 shelving units for storing food. I personally find it annoying to zip and unzip the unit, but it's good for keeping items when you leave camp. There's also a sturdier shelf plus a side table and lantern hooks. It should be fine for chopping soft foods like tomatoes, but I wouldn't want to put too much pressure on it. Maybe it's best to chop up food on a sturdier table. Number 5. Venom Camping Kitchen. This camping kitchen is almost exactly the same as the Campland kitchen above. The difference is that, instead of a side table, it has another countertop with storage underneath it. The extra side table gives you more space for food prep and also makes the entire setup more stable. While this is far from the perfect camping kitchen, it is nice to have so many food storage cupboards. Choose this one if you need a lot of storage, and you are going somewhere where wild animals won't be an issue. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.